We are unboxing the Apple iPad 2. So this just launched a day before in UK, and we have got a 16 GB black Apple iPad 2. So it's a 16 GB Apple iPad 2, and this is the first time, as you can see, we are opening it. So there it goes. That's traditional Apple packing. You can see a FaceTime camera here. This is a Wi-Fi model, so there is no antenna band as seen in the 3G version. You will see my iPad first generation, has a band for 3G. You can see this is like, it has curvy corners, unlike the previous version. The speaker grill has a little change as well on this version. And of course the cameras, this is the back camera and the front camera. So we'll come back to this and compare it with the first generation. Let's move inside the box. Inside the box we have the UK pin for the power charger, and I believe this is the US pin. Okay, sorry, this is actually the UK pin put together. Alright, this is pretty much different from what we have seen in the US version, so apologies, this is my first time in UK. Okay, we'll keep this aside for now. The data cable and your manuals. So that's pretty much for the box. We'll jump straight to the iPads now. So you can see how this stacks up against first generation iPad. This is supposed to be 33% slimmer, and you can see the changes here. The speaker grill takes a modification as well as per the design. And both of these have the same displays. We have the black version here, so this is identical to the first generation iPad. And for some reason, the iPad second generations that we have seen, the speaker grill, the back aluminium feels much more smoother. So that's another difference that we feel. And that's pretty much it for the unboxing. So stay tuned for our review.